height is tall enough to ride. Her measurements are cornbread fed, and she's a dirty blonde with baby blue eyes. And I asked Gabby to describe herself in 3 words for everybody out here at the Sturgis Buffalo Chip. And she wrote, "Yes, they're real."